Hi guys, welcome to Heather's Treasures. I got a box in the mail a few days ago and I wanted to open it up with you. These were sent to me by Debbie. She went to the Ruby City Gems and Minerals store in North Carolina. So let's see what she sent. Ooh! She sent me some sea glass from Florida while she was visiting Florida. And a pretty stone. I don't know what that is, but that's pretty. And a couple, oh, there's another stone. Wow. I think the way that is shaped, I have to try to polish that. That's going to be cool. Here's a couple shells that need to be cleaned up and wrapped. Wow, I like these. And here's another stone that looks, it's a little bit transparent, so we'll have to polish that up. Very cool. All right, this is Garnet. Wow, I didn't know Garnet was green. Grossular Garnet is a green variety of garnet originated in Siberia. Wow. Oh, look at the striations in this. Can you see? Wow, look at that. Whew. Pink cobalt-tion calcite. It is excellent for use with the heart chakra. Wow, these are cool too. Very cool. Now this one is actually not a real stone. I don't know how they make it. I'm assuming it is some form of resin. But this is a gold stone in a blue color. I mean, they sound like they're real stones, so I don't know what they are. But I've been told that goldstone is not a natural stone. It's man-made. So, if anyone... Wow! I don't know if the color is... It's got sparkle in there that is iridescent. And brilliant flashes of blue. Woo! Oh, I wish I could catch that. Anyway, as I was saying, if any of you know for sure how goldstone is made, please leave me a comment in the comment section and correct me if I'm wrong or explain the process. I'm not a chemist or a geologist. I just like stones. This is garnet in wollastonite. I don't know how to pronounce that. Ooh, that's pretty too. Look at that. Very pretty. This is unikite. Very earthy green and orange tones. I always like unikite. Very pretty. Idocrase gem Vesuvianite, also known as idocrase, represents cooperative effort, and as such, it is a wonderful stone to present to newlyweds, business associates, friends, and acquaintances. Oh, golly gee, look at the depth in this. I don't know. I can't tell you if the camera is picking it up, but what I'm seeing is it looks like you can look right down in the depth of the stone. Very cool. That is awesome. Debbie did a good job shopping, didn't she? This is Stick-Tite and Serpentine in Serpentine. Stick-Tite in Serpentine. I like the shape of this stone. Well, look at the inclusion. I'm going to say that's probably the Stick-Tite. Stitch-Tite. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's got a nice flat back. Citrine. This is another chakra stone. Whoa, look at this. Oh, I love that dark color down at the bottom, and then it fades up to the light. This one is supposed to attract money or something. Wow, look at these. Let's see what it says. Solar plexus chakra promotes and manifests success and abundance in all areas of life. Well, to me, that relates to money. Increases, magnifies, and clarifies personal power and energy. It brings hope. It does not absorb negative energies from its surroundings, so never needs energetic clearing. Amethyst. This is also part of the chakra, but it doesn't say that here. Oh, look. It's got some chatoyancy in there. I don't know if the camera's catching it or not, but it's definitely chatoyancy. Very pretty. Morganite and Jasper. I thought Morganite was pink. Oh, it's peach apparently. This is a peach variety. It will open the heart to receive messages and wisdom from guides, angels, and guardians. I've never been to this Ruby City place. I wonder what else they have. Stone of puppy love and first kisses. Aww. Well, let's look at them. Oh, look. That's pretty. Oop. Oh, look. And another one where you can see right down in. Gorgeous. Let's look at the Jasper. This is called a Mosaic Jasper. They're a stone of grounding, protection, and warding off negativity. Helps balance emotional energy in the body. That's very interesting. It looks really almost like, look at the banding. Whoa, that's gorgeous. Looks almost fossil-like, doesn't it? With all of the different bits. That's cool. Well, thank you so much, Debbie. I really appreciate you sending me these beautiful stones. I think I want to wrap one of these. Yeah, I got to wrap one of these. So look for that in a video. Thanks again. I really appreciate you guys stopping in to watch me open my beautiful stones. These are just absolutely gorgeous. Now I'll have to put some vinegar on this and clean that calcium off. And this looks like there'd be perfect spot for a pearl inset. Polish these up. Put this in my collection of sea glass. Thank you again, Debbie. I really appreciate it. Love these. Thank you so much for your support. All right, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. You should have learned a lot from this video, right? I learned a lot. I learned that I can't pronounce half of these words. We're almost to 2,500. I'm so excited. Till next time. Love you. Bye-bye.